Hey, it's Aaron Chen, and in this video we're going to talk about how to build out a six-figure affiliate marketing business, especially if you're a beginner. I'll see you in a second. Hey, welcome back, and in this series we're talking a little bit more about the different things that you need in order to build out a six-figure affiliate marketing business. And in my personal business, Invincible Marketer, we've got something that I call the 10 values of becoming a really powerful marketer, right? And we've covered, step number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and if you want, you can click on the playlist and go back and watch some of those videos, right? But today we're going to be talking a little bit about number 6, and I'm actually calling that stretch yourself. Because the more uncomfortable you are today, the more comfortable you will be tomorrow, and that's why I have it up here as well, okay? The truth is that when you first get into internet marketing or affiliate marketing or just becoming an entrepreneur online, you don't even realize that but there's a lot of skills that you don't necessarily know and you need to get good at in order for you to start to generate a lot of income from the marketplace, right? And so when I first got started in 2009, I actually got started because I saw a few very interesting YouTube videos, right? From a guy called Brian. He was based in the US, and I was like, man, this guy is doing really well. He's making a lot of money, and it looks like all he's doing is making YouTube videos. So I thought to myself, well, all I have to do is, maybe jump on camera, use my, little cell phone, make a couple of videos, and I'm gonna be successful that way, right? And the reality is that that's not what happened, okay? Because the first year, I made maybe a few hundred videos on YouTube, right? Just using my little phone, and the quality was so bad, I had no idea what I was doing, and I didn't generate any sales. I didn't generate any leads, and I didn't generate any sales. And it wasn't until much, much later, 8 years later, after failing over and over and over again, did I realize that making video in a very specific way is just maybe one of the many, many skills that you need to learn in order to get really good at marketing online. Now, the thing is that you don't need to learn how to become an expert at everything, okay? It's not about that. It's about understanding that there are specific key skills that you need to get good at when it comes to affiliate marketing. And if you can focus on those key skills and get good at it and stretch yourself, then and only then will you start to do very well and start to generate a lot of sales and a lot of income, okay? I hope that makes sense. Now let's talk a little bit about some of these skills, okay? And before I show you the skills, I just want to talk about this one thing that's really important that a lot of people don't understand, and it's really about this. Look, the more valuable you are to the marketplace, the more income that the marketplace is going to give you. Does that make sense, right? So if you're somebody who comes into affiliate marketing just like 90% of the market comes in, and they think that all they need to do is find a good product and then find a bunch of people that want that product, and you just kind of market and slam them over the head with that product over and over and over again. If that's what you think is proper marketing online, then I'm really sorry, but that's not what marketing is, okay? In order for you to get really good at affiliate marketing, there's a lot of other little things that you need to have, right? And you need to bring to the marketplace in order for the marketplace to see you as a valuable person. Now, if you're just selling an object to a group of people and you're slamming them over the head, again and again and again, then that's not valuable to the marketplace. Does that make sense? So the more value you can bring the marketplace, the more valuable you are, the more that people can't replace you in the marketplace will then mean that you're going to generate more income, okay? So as soon as someone can replace you, then you're not going to make any income because you don't become valuable anymore. Does that make sense, right? So just that last 30 seconds that I just spoke about is so important, because a lot of people think that affiliate marketing is one of those things where you can just come in, find a product, drive traffic to it, and you're gonna make money. It's not about that, okay? It's about how much value you can bring to the people within that marketplace so they actually want to buy from you, all right? Now, having said that, here are some of the skills that you can focus on today in order for you to get really, really good at doing affiliate marketing, okay? So what are some of those skills? So let's just put up here skills, all right? Now, the first skill is really about building out your sales process. Okay, that is super crucial, right? And a lot of people get this wrong. They don't really understand that. Well, in order to do well, you need to be able to bring people through a very, very specific process, right? Think about a sales funnel, okay? It starts wide at the top and then it gets really, really narrow, right? And that is essentially a sales process. Let me give you a great example of a sales process. I'm not sure if you've heard of the big furniture company IKEA. It's a Swedish company, right? And when I first got into online marketing in 2009, that was when I first went to the first IKEA store. That was kind of a long time ago now. And now IKEA is all over the world. But IKEA has one of the best offline sales funnels in the world. Now, if you know how it works, this is how it works. You walk into the entrance, right? And unlike a lot of other furniture stores, IKEA isn't a giant warehouse. It's a giant warehouse, however, they've made it very, very specific. So they've kind of made it like a maze, right? So if you think of IKEA, you know, this is the main entrance, right? When you come into the main entrance, they make you walk through all their different rooms, right? All their different showrooms before leading you out to the checkout place, right? So they make you see every single thing that they want you to see. So whether it's the bedroom furniture, the outdoor furniture, the plants, the knickknacks, the living room, all that kind of stuff, right? You have to see everything before you check out. And then even after you check out, they've got all this other food and stuff that you will end up buying, like their hot dogs and the ice cream and all that kind of stuff, right? This is what a proper sales process looks like. Now, if you can replicate that online, then you win. Okay, I hope you're having some major aha moments right now. So that's the first thing. A lot of people don't even have a proper sales process. So as an affiliate marketer, if you want to create 6 figures, if you want to do well, if you want to have a profitable month every single month, you have to learn how to build out this sales process. It's not difficult. You just have to be shown exactly how to do it, okay? The second skill that might be important is, you might have to learn how to do a little bit of video, right? And you might be thinking, well, Aaron, I'm terrified of video. Do I really have to do video in order for me to do well online? Well, here's the thing. Video today, right, is one of the highest converting activities that you can ever do inside of your business, okay? Think about all of the biggest marketers online. Everybody that's online, whether they're in specifically in affiliate marketing or they're in a different industry, but they're using the internet, they all use video. Whether it's Russell Brunson of ClickFunnels, whether it's Grant Cardone of 10X Conference, right? Whether it's Tony Robbins, the greatest motivational speaker in the world, Dean Graziosi, right? All of these guys use the power of video because video converts the best online. Now, does that necessarily mean that you have to show your face? No, not really. There are a lot of different ways you can do video. You can do PowerPoint style presentations. You can do whiteboard style presentations where you just see the person's hand. You don't even see their face. You can do cartoon style videos. You can record your screen, right? You record your I've got my laptop right here. You can record the computer screen, not even show your face. There's lots of different ways to do it. But doing video is an important skill that you have to learn, right? What are some of the other skills that you might have to learn? Well, what about email communication? Okay, and you notice that I'm writing email communication, not just email. All right, because communicating with the people that are on your email database is very, very important. See, if you speak to them in the right way, they're going to get magnetized towards you. If you speak to them in the wrong way, they're going to be repelled from you, okay? And that's the difference between good marketing and bad marketing, right? Again, it's a skill that you have to learn, right? It's just like going to the gym. The first time you go to the gym, you don't go to the gym and expect to lose weight instantly, right? It's one of those things where you get to the gym and you have to learn about the gym. You have to learn about what the weights do, what kind of exercises you can do, what each different machine will do for you, right? And then it's about also learning how to diet and go to the gym consistently. Just because you have a gym membership doesn't mean that you're gonna lose 30 pounds automatically, right? So it's the same thing with online marketing. It's about knowing what the skills that you have to focus on are and then doing something about it, taking action every single day, learning a little bit about how to build out the sales process, learning a little bit about doing video, learning a little bit about email communication. What's another one, right? Something that I haven't really mentioned is traffic and leads, okay? Now again, traffic is just an industry term for getting as many eyeballs to your websites as possible, okay? Now you convert those eyeballs into leads, which become email leads, and you follow up with them on a consistent basis, and that's how you get really, really good. That's how you generate sales. That's how you build a presence on autopilot. That's how you build trust with your company, with your potential prospects and customers, and that's how you generate sales. Now, you might be thinking, well, Aaron, how do I generate leads? How do I generate traffic? There's so many different ways, and that's what a lot of people don't realize about online marketing, is there's literally tons of different ways. Let's talk about, I just want to make sure you can see this, right? I'll do it down here. But there's Facebook. Okay, there is YouTube, which I like to use a lot, right? There's pay-per-click networks, there's banner networks, right? There's influencer networks, right? The influencer networks, okay? So many different things. There's CPA traffic, right? There's native ad networks. Okay, there's so many different ways to get traffic, and the problem is a lot of people freak out about traffic, but what they don't realize is that there's so many ways, and all you really have to do is focus on one way, get really, really good at it, because again, it's a skill, right? You want to be a specialist, not a generalist, okay? You don't want to be a generalist in everything. You want to be a specialist in one or two things only, okay? Get really, really good at it. And all of this has to do with stretching yourself. All right, so point number 6 inside of Invincible Marketer, that's what we talk about, is really about how do you stretch yourself in order to gain the skills so that you become valuable enough in the marketplace that when people see you, you become irreplaceable. Does that make sense? Okay, so listen, I hope you're getting a ton of aha moments from this particular video right here, right? And this is what we talk about every single day inside my Invincible Marketer program. It's about, well, which are the skills that you need to focus on, which are the areas that you need to stretch yourself, because remember, the bigger you are as a person, the more skills you have, the more capable you are, and the more knowledge you have in order for you to generate real income through the power of the internet, right? Again, just to repeat myself, and sorry that I sound like a broken record, but it's not about coming online, finding a product, and then driving lots of traffic to it. There's a lot more to it than that. There is understanding the sales process. It's doing a little bit of video. It's about understanding good communication strategies, right? And then it's also about mastering one or two traffic sources and doing it really, really well. And there, this is just a basic list. There are a couple of more things that I don't want to go into right now because I don't want this video to go on for, an hour or whatever it is, right? But this will just give you an idea that stretching yourself is very, very important. It is our value number 6. And the reason why I have it here is because over the last 11 years of being online, I realized that if you don't learn new skills, specific skills for affiliate marketing, then you will never ever do well. Again, it's not difficult. Anybody can do it. You just have to be shown exactly what to do, and you need to focus on those things, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so listen, I hope you got a lot of value from this video today. Let me know in the comment section what you thought. If you got some value, I would appreciate some thumbs ups. All right, and listen, all you need to do is look. If you're like, Aaron, well, this sounds great and good. How do I get involved in Invincible Marketer? Well, we talk about this every single day inside the program. It's literally broken down, extremely detailed. If you want to check it out, there should be a little link right below this video. Okay, whether you're on YouTube or my blog, which you can click on and check out the program. All right. Definitely let me know what you thought of this video in the comment section below. I'm always coming out with content like this on my YouTube channel, so go ahead and smash the subscribe button and make sure you look out for video number 7, where we're going to talk about the next step to building a very, very powerful affiliate marketing business. You're awesome. Speak to you soon and take care.